Hi, this is Brendan Kirshner. Today I'm going to be showing you the one of three free online web-based uses that I wanted to use for emerging tech kids. So today I'm going over CrunchyRoll. CrunchyRoll is a online anime service that you can use basically to watch tons of new anime. This is where everything goes on. There's several other apps you can use, but I just prefer CrunchyRoll. It's completely free. It takes absolutely nothing. I chose it because I really like anime, and I've used it in the past before to watch several shows that haven't been on Netflix or whatever. The only downsides I see to it is just the amount of ads, but what can you do? I mean, it's free, and you don't have to pay for it or anything. If you can get past the ads, it makes it a lot easier. So basically how you use it, you can just, it's super simple. You just look up or go to shows, and you have an entire list that goes all the way down here of shows that you can watch and other things like that. If you do want to buy premium, you can, or there's a free trial for premium, but there are several shows on here that I have watched and just continuously watch daily. I really like it. It's super simple to use, and someone like me you can use it in class or in GPS or something if you're not completely slammed, or if you're in seminar and you're just bored, you can do that. But I've recently been watching My Hero Academia and Hunter X. I'm just gonna click on Hunter X, and as you can see, it's at the newest. I'm gonna press oldest, so it'll pull up the first episode, and then you can just click on it. And it's probably going to give me a short ad. And it'll just pull up with the anime or whatever straight away. Yep, so I hope you guys liked the video, and yep.